is a good look. Big
Pass be my passing up, can't see you. Keep up, passing the mark, sparking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, but before we get into the video, let me just show y'all what I put on. So finally I got some carbon fiber mirror caps, and I got this side over on the driver's side. I got this side missing right here, but I'm gonna get that soon. But I got those on finally. And also we're gonna put the 360 cam on right now so we could get some nice POV footage and some exhaust sound and pops. But make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. Okay guys, so we got the Insta 360 cam hooked up, everything turned on already. I'm gonna have to make sure everything is connected. Alright, everything is connected, so let's go get the POV done, man. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna make sure I get the cold start for y'all real quick, and also I put in the carbon fiber shift knot right there. But let me get the cold start for the boys. I think it's kind of warm right now though. Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of warm. But let's get into the POV, man.
Snap up your body, your pussy tight like smoke. She like fuck, me like fuck. She like niche, me like strut. VIP, the vibes up. VSOP like up. Louis V, palm feet and shot. How much gal a combo, G never drop. G-O-A-T, that man.
Okay guys, so we're back at the spot again, the OG spot. We got a nice ass view right there, and here's the 535, man. And also I put on some goodies, put on some carbon fiber mirror caps, and also I did the shift knob right there, carbon fiber too. Then if y'all look right here, I put some eagle eyes right there. That's what they are called. They're the small lights, they're called eagle eyes. So I put those. So I'm gonna turn on the light real quick and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I just turned on the lights. That's how it's gonna look. Damn, them shit's bright, man. Show you guys up closer. And I know I need to get the fog light, the housing. But let me know if y'all like it, man. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one.